Welcome to our channel PC Troubleshooter. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install VLC media player. I'm gonna teach you in an easy way and step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's go and start. The first thing that we have to do is open our internet browser. So in our case we are gonna use Google Chrome. Just double click. So on the address box we are gonna type www.google.com and press enter. Okay, now in the Google search we are gonna write down download VLC and press enter. Okay, so on the first search we are gonna see that one, the videoland.org. So we are gonna click in there. And here we are. So we are gonna click here in that download VLC, and that one is gonna start downloading the installer. The VLC is completely free. You don't have to pay anything at all for that one. So just wait. That one is gonna download the installer. We are gonna wait until that one finish. Once it's finished, just click in there. Do you want to make changes in your computer? Yes. And just click OK in the language English. Just click next, next, next. That is only if you want to change the destination folder, but we are gonna leave that one as a default and click install. The installation is gonna take a couple of seconds, probably 1 minute maximum. Here we are, that one already finished, so just click finish, close that window if you want, and here we are. That is the VLC media player. That is one of the most used media player in the world, so that is pretty handy. Here we are. So that one is gonna leave a shortcut on the desktop, and now it's ready to be used. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and leave the comments below. See you on the next time.